We're at 5:07, bound for London, Victoria. We got 37224 and 37214, bound for London, Victoria from Brighton. Both coming in. Ah! What? Ah!
London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras
Both coming in.
Finsbury Park, Stevenage,
One's Brighton, Cambridge. 70135, bound for Brighton from Bedford. And the Cambridge one is 701.2. Charge book, there's only one. You're gonna get one for me. You got your charge book in your bag? Get one for me. You charge it, okay. £701 terminating telephone service from Bedford. Oh god, it sounds about nice. Oh my god! The wheelchair. The wheelchairs. The 1240 to Brighton, but that on time.
Once again, any passengers on platform number 1 currently awaiting 12:40 Peterborough service via Enfield. Please be advised this train is subject to a platform alteration and will now be supplied for handling on platform number 2. As platform number 2, if you require the
Now this large train is 12:44. Southern service to Portsmouth, Portsmouth, Southsea and Balcombe Regis.
and Horsham, where the train divides.
We cancel between Portsmouth and Southsea, Balcombe, Portsmouth Harbour.
Fishbourne, Bosham, Nutbourne, Southbourne, Emsworth, Warblington, Havant, Hilsea, Bratton and Portsmouth and Southsea should travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. Passengers for Christ's Hospital, Billingshurst,
Cancel between Portsmouth, Southsea and Harbour due to the faulty recycling system.
should travel in the rear 4 coaches of the train. This train may be disrupted after Havant
37115.
between Havant and Portsmouth Harbour.
Please.
Wait.
And there you have it. This is my 29 subscriber special. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in December and Christmas. See you later.
The southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Horsham. This is coach number 4 of 8.
you go now. Fine. What's this? Fine. Go on in. So go on in. Alright. Four up support starting Northern Ridges. Oh my God!
Train will divide. The front 4 coaches, so that's coach number 1 to 4, will continue on to Portsmouth Harbour, calling at Barnum, Chichester, Fishbourne, Bosham, Nutbourne, Southbourne, Emsworth, Warblington, Havant, Hilsea, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour. At Horsham, the rear part of the train, so that's coach numbers 5 to 8, will continue on to Bognor Regis, calling at Christ Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Amberley, Arundel, Ford, Barnum and Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train for your journey. At Horsham, you can change for services to Dorking and Epsom.
Page bill on. See, that's announcement starts. No, see you in a minute.
We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1 to 4 will
Continue
continue
to Portsmouth.
Portsmouth Harbour.
Coaches 5 to 8.
Coaches 5 to
Will continue
8
to Bognor
will
Regis.
continue to
Please-
Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is coach number
3 of 8.
of 8.